What's going on, traders? Fella back at it, doing a late night video tonight. I'm gonna share my watch list with everybody tonight, for tomorrow or next week whenever it happens. So let's just go get into it. Before we do this, you guys, I want to say again, thank you to everybody for subscribing, supporting. Finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Might not seem like a lot, but that's a lot to me. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. So if I ever helped you, if you ever reached out to me, if I ever helped you in any type of way, you guys, please leave that like. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Still doing the free sessions. Email mytradecoach23@gmail.com. Get your private one-on-one coaching session. Get on the right track, you guys. And let's get right into the video, you guys. I'm gonna share my watch list tonight. For next week, you guys, and yeah, let's get right into it. My first stock on watch is, guess what? Walmart, you guys. So let's go to a bigger chart real fast. Let me show you a bigger chart. This is a bigger chart of Walmart, you guys. So as you can see, this is almost like a flat top breakout. You can see resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times this had a flat top breakout. So another thing we see, this is really powerful. So we're going to go to the drawings real fast. We're going to get to the trend line. And we see a little trend going on right here, which just kind of caught the trend. So when you do this, what happens here? We have a ascending triangle right here, you guys. But the only thing is, you want to be careful from resistance. Now, if you're like a fundamental trader and stuff like that, also this also has good fundamentals. You know, Walmart's powerful right now. Even with COVID, they're one of the businesses that I believe are probably gonna have better earnings than pre-COVID. So watch Walmart next week for that 125 breakout, you guys. Even watch the 134 breakout right here. Let me get that tool out real fast. Watch that 134 breakout right here, and if that breaks out also, but you don't want to buy the breakout, you guys, go watch my video on how to buy breakouts. You want it to come up and test again, and maybe even double test. Like, you want extra confirmation, you want a seller failure a couple times to make sure you get in this thing right, you guys. So that's what I'm watching right now. Walmart, you guys, is at 125.94. So be careful. Watch this trend line. For you day traders, if it does crack above 125 tomorrow, if it comes back and 125 holds again and VWAP's there, you know VWAP's like a little lagging indicator, right? Most indicators are a little lagging, but if it comes back and VWAP moves with this thing, you guys, and it comes back and it holds at the VWAP and 125 area, might be a possibly good dip buy also. But I don't recommend anybody getting in at once. Do your own due diligence, but this is a very clean chart. Very nice breakout. Walmart holding really well. And next stock on my watch list right now is Zoom, ZM, you guys. Now look at Zoom's been going nuts since all this is going on. Right now, Zoom's in a perfect trend. What do we always say? The trend is your friend until the end. Right now, Zoom's approaching this all-time highs, you guys. Let's go to a bigger chart. All-time highs, let's go 3 years. All-time highs on this thing is 181.50 cents. So you want to watch this breakout area. And past that, there's literally no more resistance until they make some resistance. So watch Zoom, you guys. Zooms are going to be like, I believe it's going to be one of the maybe 200, 250 at least by at least another couple months. So we have room at least, you guys. So watch that. Just be careful in the breakout. Don't just buy the breakout blindly. You know, go watch my video. Go watch videos or practice how to buy breakouts. A lot of breakouts fail, you guys. So don't forget, have a good risk to reward ratio. At least a 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1 even. And size and small. You know, do your own due diligence, you guys. Never follow anybody's alerts. But I'm just letting you know what's on my watch list. A lot of people asking me to share my watch list. And I'm going to, hopefully when I have time from now on, I'm going to start sharing it. So watch this Zoom trade, you guys. And let me show you one more thing I was looking at. But this is for the short sellers. Now you gotta be careful with Beyond because people thought right here it was gonna crash, and Beyond's still kind of in a trend, you guys. But Beyond's kind of tapping off. The only thing I see with Beyond right here is it might be creating a flag. Some guy asked me on Twitter today if I can analyze this one for him. I think it could be a possible short if it breaks this trend. And if it breaks and it stays under 125, the way I would short it, it has to break this support and come back and test it. Just like how we buy breakouts is the same way we short breakdowns. I'm going to make a video real soon, you guys, on how to short sell. A lot of people ask me, like, what do you mean shorting? Like, some people don't know. I know a lot of you guys know, but some people don't know. So if you don't know, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. I'm definitely going to make a video probably, hopefully this week or next week, definitely, about it. So yeah, this has to break 125 and has to come back, test and fill, you guys. So definitely watch that. Yeah, that's like the top. Somebody asked me about American Airlines. I don't know, you guys. The government's asking for bailouts. This is like a gamble right now. It could be a good dip buy, but like, look, it's at support. They're trying to hold it, but if it gets below the next low, 825, we have room. You see my alert like at $5 if it holds, and it has to hold a couple times. So anybody has any questions, you guys, leave in the comments. Anybody else have any other stocks they want me to look at, drop in the comments. Smack that like button. Remember our motto, you guys: plan the trade, trade the plan. I'll see you guys in the AM or Monday in AM. Peace out.